A cheap alternative to the Remarkable 2. Today, we're unboxing the Mobiscribe. Hey everybody, welcome back to Writer Gadgets and Workflow. You know, there is nothing I love better than cracking open a new tool. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Today, we are unboxing the Mobiscribe. Now, you're probably thinking, why, Carla, should I consider the Mobiscribe? You've been talking about your digital paper. You've been glowing over the Remarkable 2 and the Remarkable and your little Onyx and your little iPad digital paper solution, Notability. So you've been talking about all of that stuff. Why should I consider buying the Mobiscribe? Well, here's my take on it. The Mobiscribe has some great features. It was actually crowdfunded for a while on Indiegogo or Kickstarter, one of the two. Can't remember. I think it was Indiegogo. But anyway, but now it's on sale. Here's the thing though, it's considerably cheaper than the Remarkable 2. Half price. Yeah, it's a lot smaller, but it packs a lot of punch based on the descriptions. So we are going to find out the truth. So stay with us as we unbox the Mobiscribe and see what kind of magic it does and has. Oh, okay. So the box contains, as you can see, there's nothing in here except the content. We'll set this to the side. So, got a piece of plastic covering it. Uncover it here. So this is the Mobiscribe case. Okay, again, if you are bougie like me when it comes to your writing gadgets and you love Apple products, this is not Apple. But it's gonna do the trick. So we're gonna be happy about it, okay? Okay, so this is nice. So this is cool. So this feels like a kind of a pleather material, and this feels just like a cotton material put over a piece of pleather, and it comes with the Mobiscribe thing here, and there's a piece of tape on here that comes off, and you stick the Mobiscribe to it, and it stays in here, and there is a stylus holder. As you guys can see, there's no stylus in here, so I guess the stylus is in the other box. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have a quick start guide. It says what's in the box, Mobiscribe stylus, quick start guide, US Type-C USB cable, the remover with the nibs. I can tell you right now, this is a Wacom pen. So the Wacom pen can be used with the Remarkable, and it can be used with the Onyx. It cannot be used with Apple products. It describes the feature. It shows it has a front light on switch, a power button, a status light, factory reset button. Oh, that's nice. Micro SD slot. That's interesting. That's definitely something the others don't have. And the Type-C USB port. Okay. All right. All right. So there's a piece of plastic covering this. So I'm going to remove the plastic. I think you're supposed to remove the plastic off of this, yeah. I don't really see a tab to do it. Ah, it's just around the edges. That's cool. All right. And then let's hit power and see what we got. All right. So I turn it on. The indicator light has come on. I'm waiting for it to power up. Now it's small, so it should like go boom. Okay, nice. So this is the Mobiscribe homepage. This is interesting. Okay, so they have a place for your notes and a place for your books and a place for your calendar. Let me see what that is. Oh, that's interesting. And a place for your tools. What's tools? Files, images, and then the Mobi store. Interesting. Okay, so we'll go home. So let's see what it's like to create a note. Create a note. Oh, it says you can do it vertical. That's new. That's something that the Remarkable doesn't do. Because I have this issue when I am drafting graphics for work. I always have to like turn the Remarkable around sideways in order to do it. Like it doesn't give me this option. So let's see what horizontal is like. Oh, wow. I don't know what came first, this or the Remarkable, but they're very similar. Like if you have a Remarkable, you're not going to be confused about how to use this. So it gives you the option of pencil, pen, paint, and then you can do shapes automatically, and it gives you your pen ink color and the width of your stroke. I'll go ahead and do a 4, and I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to just try it. Oh, wow. Do you hear the scritch? Let's see what the calendar does here. Oh, create an event. Oh, now let me tell you, this is nice. Test. Now this will be actually helpful for me. Super helpful. Okay. Let me hit. Okay, let's go back to the calendar. Look, it shows up there on the calendar. That's nice. Okay, I like that feature. I gotta say, I like that feature. It's super easy. I can hit calendar. I can see what all I have going on. Right now, I do not track this well, and I do have a planner, but there's something about this digital experience of me being able to just write stuff in that appeals to me. So this calendar feature is going to be one that I definitely use. Now the next thing I want to look at is the backlight. All right. And that is the backlight. Let me see if it gets brighter. Oh, that rotates. Oh, that's interesting. I'm going to take a look at the Mobiscribe and the Remarkable. You can see, look at the size here. That's considerably smaller than the Remarkable. But, it looks like it's got some good stuff going on here. Oh, wait, here, hold on. So I'm in Notes. I create a folder. Okay. I'm in my folder. And I create a note. So, oh, I can create a note in here. Now I can create a horizontal or diagonal note. Okay. And it just saves. And then if you want to add a page, there's no swiping here. It will not let you swipe. Now that's one thing that's interesting. Not that you need to do it, but on the Onyx you can just swipe. You can swipe as much as you want. On the Remarkable too. You don't have to write on it to swipe. But you can't swipe here, so you can use the arrow or you can swipe. That's nice. Okay. Well, I'll be playing with, oh, and they have templates. So they have templates that you can use. Let's see if we can put the notebook in there. Now let's see what we got here. Oh, interesting. And then it's got, you can insert pages, you can copy a page, you can delete a page, you can search a page, and then you can do OCR. Well, let's see how that works. So let's see if that converts. Okay. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Wow, that's kind of nice. Again, it's not a big tool, but as for features, use, usability, the compactness, seriously be able to just throw this in your bag, like, this is not a bad tool if you don't want to kick out $400 for the Remarkable. So that was it for the unboxing video. So listen, I'm sorry guys that it was supposed to be longer, but my camera went a little wonky and it did not capture like all of it that I wanted to capture. But I hope you saw enough to at least kind of wet your whistle for what you're about to witness in the next video. So even though that was, like I said, short and not great, I am in the next episode of Writer Gadgets and Workflow. I'm going to talk about the Mobiscribe, and I'm going to talk about it. That is neat, that little backlight. You can see it a little better. But I'm going to talk about the Mobiscribe in comparison to the Remarkable, right? Now, we obviously see that there is a major size difference, okay? But in terms of utility, I got to tell you, I've seen a lot out of this that I actually really like. So, we are going to take a look at whether, you know, the Mobiscribe is half price, but is it worth it? Is it a viable substitution for the Remarkable? Okay, so we'll talk about that in the next episode. See you guys next time. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like the content. If you have questions about the tools or anything, you want me to do a comparison video, please just leave your comments below. And I will see you guys next time.